What's up everybody? My name is Bryce with P&K Equipment, back with another video, and today we're going to go over the 1 Series tractor. And folks, to my left we've got a 1023E, which is a 23 horsepower tractor, and to my right we've got a 1025R, which is a 25 horsepower tractor. And you know folks, at first glance both these tractors, they're very similar. Both are the same exact frame size, and both come with standard with a 120R loader. Both are detachable loaders, and as well as there's a plethora of attachments that you can put on both these tractors. For instance, we have drive over decks installed on both models. They come in a 54 and a 60, as well as a canopy on our 1025R, as well and an eye match that is on our 1023E. But you know, that's the extent of the similarities. Let's go into the differences. So on our 1025R, you gain a lot of features that you wouldn't get on a 1023E. For instance, you gain a deluxe suspension seat right off the bat. Adds a lot of comfort and suspension to your tractor and smoother ride. You get a adjustable steering wheel, as well as you get fender lighting. Nice adjustment, so whenever you're working late into the day, you got light to shine out in front of you. Other than that, you got a precise rock shaft adjustment versus on the 1023E, it's just a standard. As well as, you know folks, when you're taking off your front end loader, if you just want to mow, these 1025Rs, they actually come with a single point hydraulic connection that you just have to move one lever versus having to unplug every single one of your hydraulics on your left sides here. So, you know folks, if you have any more questions on the 1 Series tractor, stop by one of our P&K locations here in the state of Oklahoma and Arkansas. So we'll see you there.